the Evercross EK6.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Evercross EK6 electric bike.
This is how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam protecting it. Assembly is required and the user manual walks you through the process. Inside it comes with a charger, user guide, air pump, bike lock, tools, pedals, and reflectors. Just to highlight the assembly process, basically you have to install the handlebars, install the front wheel, attach the front light and front fender, secure the rear fender, and then attach the seat. Going over some specs, this comes in two colors, black and white. It has a step-through frame design, 750 watt rear motor, 48 volt 15 amp hour battery, and it takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge, 20 to 62 mile range, 20 mile per hour top speed, 20 by 4 inch fat tires, 3 pedal assist levels and twist throttle, 7-speed shifter, LCD display, mechanical disc brakes, front, rear lights, and front and rear fenders. It weighs in at 73 pounds with a max load of 264 pounds. I'll walk through around the bike. You'll see that the front has the height adjustment for the handlebars and the folding lever. You have the front light, front fender, front suspension, 20 by 4 inch tires, and mechanical disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the kickstand, the battery keyhole, rear rack, rear light, rear fender, and mechanical disc brakes. On the other side, you can see the 750 watt rear motor, 7-speed cassette, rear derailleur, and the folding mechanism. Towards the handlebar area, you have the brake levers, LCD display, controls, twist throttle, and gear shifter.
Now to power up the bike, basically you have to make sure that it's in the on position here by the battery. Just turn the key up like that, and then you can go to the display. Hold the power button for a few seconds. Let's see here, just hold it down. You can see it's backlit, nice decent size. Pressing the power button again, you can see your odometer. You could toggle it to trip, voltage, and time. And then pressing the plus button, that will toggle the assist, so you have low, medium, high, and the minus will decrease it all the way back to no assist. Pressing the plus button for a few seconds will turn on the lights. So you have the front headlight, and you also have the rear light. So folding the bike is pretty easy. You have a folding mechanism here. So basically you just want to pull up and then push in a little bit, because you can see the bolt locks it into place. And then you can fold it down. And then in the middle you have a folding lever here. Same thing, just unfold it and then pull up a little bit. And then you can fold the frame. Just get out of the way here. And there you go. So unfolding it is pretty much just a reverse operation. Now if you want to remove the battery, the seat does move up here. So basically there's a little lever here. Just want to push it up and the seat will go up and you can remove the battery. Or you can just leave it here and charge it on the bike. The handlebar is also adjustable as far as the height. You have a lever here that you just want to pull out and you can adjust it like so. And you could also adjust the angle here with this lever, so you can move it up or down.
Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts.
Now I'm going to do the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's a bumpy trail and there's also some gravel. So let's see how it does. The bike does have the fat tires along with the front suspension forks. All right, here we go. All right, so far so good, absorbing the bumps pretty well. To the gravel here. Now onto the speed test. The bike does have 3 pedal assist levels along with the twist throttle. So we'll start off with the pedal assist mode first. Let's see how fast it can go from pedal assist 1, 2, and 3. And then after that, we'll just do the twist throttle. Okay, pedal assist 1, here we go. All right, nice gradual pickup there. We're on to 9 miles per hour now. Moving to pedal assist 2. You feel the pickup there. We're at 15.5. And pedal assist 3. All right, looks like we're topping off at 19.9 miles per hour. So with the pedal assist mode, we reached 19.9 miles per hour on pedal assist 3. Now I'm just going to use the twist throttle. Let's see how fast we can go. Here we go. All right, smooth acceleration there. And we're at 19.9 miles per hour. So it looks like it's topping off at 19.9.
Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference.
Now I'm going to do the uphill test. This road has a nice gradual incline throughout. Let's see if it could maintain the speed. So we saw that with the speed test, we hit 19.9 miles per hour both on the pedal assist and the twist throttle. And let's see how it does here. So here we go. I'm just going to use the twist throttle. All right, we're beginning the climb here at 19.9 miles per hour. The motor is very quiet. It's holding the 19.9 miles per hour. We're not losing any speed. Very impressive. As we approach this turn, I'm just gonna let it glide here. A little bit of a downhill. So with the uphill test, it handled that pretty well. It maintained 19.9 miles per hour. Typically, I lose some speed when I test out some of the e-bikes, but this one held its speed and just powered through. So now I'm going to proceed with the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. Here we go. I'm probably just going to have to let it glide as we approach this turn here. We're at 19.9 miles per hour. No rattles, no noises. Everything just feels stable right now. Steering feels stable. So holding 19.9 miles per hour.
Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I did not encounter any issues. The paint has a nice gloss finish. There were no imperfections or damage during the shipping process. I like that it has fenders along with the front and rear lights. The bike feels solid and well put together, in line with a lot of the folding bikes with this design that I have reviewed in the past. The cables are ran outside the frame and are organized well with the cable management. The saddle is very soft and comfortable. I had no issues during my testing and on longer rides. The handlebars are easy to adjust to your desired angle as well as the height. The steering felt stable and tight. There were no rattles or vibrations. Folding and unfolding is quick and easy for easier storage or transport. It handled the rough surfaces pretty well. It has a dual front suspensions along with the fat tires to help absorb and make it through the rough terrain. The 750 watt motor was powerful. During my incline test, it powered through at 19.9 miles per hour and it did not lose any speed. With pedal assist and twist throttle, I reached 19.9 miles per hour as well. This has an advertised max speed of 20 miles per hour and a range of up to 62 miles. This will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment that you're in. The mechanical disc brakes were fair. I would have liked to have seen better stopping power or even hydraulic brakes. The display is about medium size, simple and easy to read and very intuitive. Overall, it performed well during my testing and I didn't encounter any issues. This is another folding bike to check out if you're in the market. It comes in at a competitive price point as well. So that is my review of the Evercross EK6 electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.